To the charges being dismissed by the Pima County Attorney's Office against Angelito Olivas. Now, he is the man that was accused of being involved in a domestic violence situation with his then girlfriend, Zahriya Moreno. She died 2 days later after allegedly having a fight with him on the southwest side.
So our News 4 Tucson's Jafet Serrato went around town to get reaction from some residents. He also spoke with an attorney to get some insight on why charges were actually dropped. Jafet, what'd you find out?
Sean and Monica, I took to the streets today to get reaction from people about the Pima County Attorney's Office here dropping the charges against Angelito Olivas. Most tell me they were surprised by the move, and others wonder what happens next.
I feel like that's pretty shocking. I feel like what else is there to really investigate?
That's what some Tucsonans are thinking after hearing the Pima County Attorney's Office has dismissed the case against 25-year-old Angelito Olivas regarding a domestic violence situation involving Zahriya Moreno.
Doesn't seem fair.
An interim complaint based on what Olivas said says back on August 12th, he and Moreno had some sort of fight here on Olden Road. Olivas told deputies Moreno jumped in his car while the car was pulling away and that he knew Moreno was on the trunk of the car and at some point she fell off. Olivas says he then took her here to the Drexel Heights fire station where first responders treated Moreno before getting her to the hospital. At the time, Olivas was arrested and charged with felony domestic violence, among other charges. He was released on a $2,500 bond, and now all charges have been dropped against him. Attorney Lynn Cadigan says that is not uncommon if the prosecutor needs more time to gather evidence.
The reason that the county attorney's office probably dismissed the charges to refile them later is so they don't get caught in the trap of not bringing a speedy trial.
A speedy trial within 150 days after an arraignment. Cadigan says this is a case of dismissal without prejudice, which leaves the door open for the county attorney to refile charges against Olivas. The Moreno family reacted to this news as well, releasing a statement that said, "Although we are thoroughly disappointed in the current situation regarding the case, we are 100% confident that our legal team, PCSD, the county attorney, and court system will prevail." Now it becomes a waiting game to see what the Pima County Attorney's Office does next. Meantime, the Moreno family says they will be holding a benefit dance in honor of Zahriya this Saturday from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. At the El Casino Ballroom. That's Saturday from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Live downtown, Jafet Serrato, News 4 Tucson.
All right, Jafet, thank you for that. Of course, to read the full statement from the Pima County attorney and the Moreno family, you can go to our website, KVOA.com, for that. Well, a former